Good day, everyone. Welcome to Teach Me More channel. Today, we are going to talk about smoking sensation. First of all, let us ask ourselves what is smoking sensation? Smoking, smoking sensation refers to the process of stopping smoking and breaking the habit of tobacco products. Quitting smoking can be difficult, but it is worth it for many health benefits it provides. What they mean by smoking cessation is that quitting smoking is very difficult, but if you quit it, there are so many health benefits that is attached to it. When you quit smoking, you will live long. You will be free of non-cancer and so many others. Mm, Let me now give you some 7 tip to quit smoking. First of all, you must set a quit date and stick to it. Then let's say today is so date, but you will say that tomorrow or next tomorrow I want to quit smoking, and you must make sure you stick to it. You must discipline yourself in the way that you will stick to it. Second one, identify trigger that lead to smoking and avoid them, or find a way to cope with them. You should not associate yourself with anything that can lead you to smoking, and you should always take an advantage to find a way to cope with an associate that will not trigger you or lead you to smoking. You should find a way to cope with any of the attitude that you find that will lead you away from smoking. Let's go to the third one. Third one, ask for support from friend and family, or consider joining a support group. Whenever you are going through anything, it is very advisable and it is a good advice to ask for support. It might be from your friend, from your family, or from your peers. Just make sure that the support that you are asking are from the good mindset people, not from those that are suffering from the same thing that you are suffering from. Let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one say that consider using nicotine replacement therapy, such as patches or gum, to help manage craving. You should find an alternative to what you have adapted to, that such as patches or gum in the replacement therapy, that will help you to manage craving. Let's go to the fifth one. The fifth one say that you should stay active and engage in activities that you enjoy to distract from craving. You should stay active in any activities. It might be reading, it might be watching video, it might be enjoying, it might be listening to the music style you love, it might be anything else. Just make sure you engage yourself in activities that will distract you from craving. Let's go to the sixth one. The sixth one say that avoid alcohol, which can increase the urge to smoke. It's not only alcohol, it can be anything else, but make sure you avoid your step back away from any activities that can increase the urge to smoke. It might be going to party. You might decide not to go to party. You might decide not to go to some places that you know that when you get there, the urge to smoke will increase. Let's go to the seventh one, which is the last but not the least. Stay positive and remind yourself the benefit of quitting smoking. I have mentioned it earlier. When you quit smoking, there are many health benefits that is related to it. First one, your lung will be healthy. You yourself will enjoy yourself, and you will stay away from stigmatization. People that are smoking often stigmatized, but when you quit smoking, you will stay away from being stigmatized. Keynote: remember that quitting smoking is not easy. It's not an easy job. Let me tell you that, and it may take multiple attempts before you are successful. Yeah, it take multiple attempts, but make sure you go with someone. that can help you. You always seek for help from someone that can help you, not someone that is in it, not someone that is still smoking, but someone that has quit smoking before, or someone that is of high esteem and that is of high esteem. Another important thing is that it is important to be patient with yourself, to seek support when needed. I've mentioned it earlier. You should always seek support whenever you need help. But whenever you are seeking support, make sure it is from right-minded people. Quitting smoking can improve your health and increase your lifespan. It seems I have mentioned that one earlier. When you quit smoking, it will increase your health and your lifespan. So it's well worth the effort. The effort that you take to quit smoking, worth it. Thank you for watching. Say no to smoking.